Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So on the gold, it seems that we see in the price behavior the confirmation of our yesterday idea that probably this will be not just one leg down as a retracement, but it could be more extended, because in the current action that we see right now on the intraday charts, it seems that this is just the minor pullback, because overall price action looks choppy. It carries no features of the reversal, no acceleration, no thrusting action. It's very gradual. It means that this is just the break inside of the longer, deeper downside retracement. On the weekly chart, if you remember, it was Brave's suggestion that actually that rally is just a retracement, because market keeps the bearish trend on the weekly. We have the big collapse. Yes, it's deep, it's to the 618, but recall what has happened here. It was non-market driving factor of the problems on the COMEX delivery. And this problem is eliminated, market turns back to its own, and well, we could argue, we could make the suggestion, but weekly chart keeping the bearish trend and the fading of this retracement suggests that it could be some kind of the A, B, C, top, D type of the price action, because 1488 is the COP on the weekly chart, and it in general doesn't contradict the idea of the possible A, B, C, top, D pattern, somewhere approximately in the same area. So anyway, currently, despite that market keeps the bullish trend here, we should suggest that indeed could be deeper retracement on the gold, mostly because of this price action doesn't match to normal price behavior and market reverse and shows the upward continuation. So take a look by yourself. On the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have currently, it could be in this way, in the way of this ABCD pattern, somewhere to 1525 area, major 618 support level. So currently the C point is not set yet, so we would not know particularly where market will start downward direction, but approximately it should be somewhere around 1610, and in this case is the OP target of this ABCD pattern, creating an agreement with the 1525. That potentially could be the point where we could consider taking the long position in the continuation of the bull trend, but we will see what will happen there. So it's a bit longer term view. Currently, the most important thing that we're coming to is that this is not yet the reversal. This mostly looks like the retracement after this drop, which makes us suggest another extension to the downside. That's the major conclusion that we have on the gold. On the hourly chart, we have approximately the same thing. So recall what we said yesterday. When this upward direction started, we said, well, it's very probable that we will get a kind of the ABCD type of action. The market could retest the broken trend line. Well, currently we see that this trend line stands a bit more extended to the upside. It's too high. It's approximately around 1625. But closer, we have 618 level, 1612. It also could be the butterfly. Take a look. It's left wing, right wing. It's 127 stands 1608, approximately in the same area. And take a look. It agrees with this A, B, C, top, D pattern. On this area, we have multiple grabbers. This is bullish grabber, that grabber, another one, and here is another one, small. All of them suggest taking out with this stuff. So, well, this grabber is already worked out because it leads market by this area. But this grabber is still valid, suggests the taking out with this stuff. 30% resistance is already broken, so here is relatively free space for the market to complete this level. All this stuff together will give you guideless triple to sell. This drop and ABCD retracement, which suggests possible downward continuation. So that's approximately what we see currently on the gold. It means that if you plan to go long with some more extended in time position, it seems that it's not the point yet for that. It's better to wait a bit more. For the bears, you could consider this level for possible taking the short position. But be aware, guys, of data release, because today we will get initial claims that in recent time becomes very important. As last week we've got 3 million new job claims in a week. This week, market again expect approximately about 3 million new claims. So it's really outstanding numbers right now stands, and it could bring significant volatility on the market. And tomorrow, it's needless to say that we will get non-farm payrolls, which also will be a really important, and it really could shake the market in the short term on intraday charts especially. So just be aware of that and see what will happen. Do not blindly take the position right in the levels. Keep an eye on the reaction, keep an eye on confirmation. For example, if you will see just one big white candle through this level, it definitely tells you that's not point for taking the short position. So just use the common sense when you are making an assessment of the price behavior. So if it will stand the same choppy as here, so that will be much better for a position taking. So that's approximately what we see right now on the gold.